the Adidas 5-star 2.0 team backpack. This thing rolls in at about 20 inches by 12.5 by 9.5. Honestly, it looks like it's here to run the show. So we're going to use this for dance. The structure is so solid. The space inside, it is unreal. Unreal. It's gigantic. She's gonna be able to put so many shoes in here. And I like that it also has the front pocket. She could slip another pair or something else in the front. If we're running from school to dance, it has the padded laptop case compartment. Very nice. So school to studio ready. The ventilation is going to fit multiple pairs of dance shoes, and with the ventilation, the bag is not going to stink. It has deep side pockets as well with the zippers. You could fit water bottles, and not those little ones, the big water bottles, okay? Would I buy it again? Absolutely. Absolutely. This thing packs like a duffel bag, but carries like a backpack. We're going to load it with all of the dance shoes and warm-up outfits, dance clothes, and we're still going to have plenty of room. It is so durable. It's legit. The comfort, top-notch, adjustable straps as usual, and ample space. Ample. If you want a backpack that can work as hard as your competition kid or your sports kid during sporting season or even school, this one is a good move. This one delivers. Highly recommend the Adidas 5-star 2.0 team backpack.